These interesting facts paint a vibrant picture of life in New York City in 1936, showcasing a city on the cusp of change, embracing cultural shifts, and navigating the challenges of a complex era. In 1936, New York City's skyline was already dominated by iconic skyscrapers. The Empire State Building, completed in 1931, stood as the tallest building in the world and continued to symbolize the city's architectural prowess. The New Deal, initiated by President Franklin D. Roosevelt, brought relief to the city through various public works projects. These initiatives aimed to stimulate the economy and provide employment during the Great Depression. The radio was a central source of entertainment and information. Families gathered around to listen to popular shows like The Shadow and The Lone Ranger, making radio a vital part of daily life. As the world teetered on the brink of World War II, political tensions were palpable. New Yorkers were keenly aware of global events, and the city became a hub for discussions and activism.